I came here to the Southern California Oral Facial Meeting last year to lecture on zygomatic implants and pterygoid implants. They asked me to come back and do a hands-on on digital workflows, show them about scanning, photogrammetry, and of course 3D printing and our entire digital workflow. During all my lectures, a lot of the audience has seen that all my work is digital. In 2019, Dr. Ole Jensen, who's an oral surgeon, he wrote book chapters on photogrammetry and oral surgery. I wasn't sure how that was going to be perceived by the oral surgery community. And I thought to myself, I need to learn more about this system. I've been 100% digital since 2020, and the introduction of the PIC camera to my practice changed everything and nearly doubled the number of cases that I do because the precision, the accuracy that I get with it has proven itself time and time again. When I heard about the gravity system, I thought this is a no-brainer. This is what I would want to have because it takes the opportunity to drop the camera away and you can have a lot more flexibility in what you're doing with your hands. That's what I would recommend for anyone who has an office that is using the PIC dental, is to go with the gravity. That way you're not holding it yourself. For me, going digital was also synonymous with partnering with PIC dental. Very pleased with the results that I've had.